Hi, my name is Alexander and I am a magician. But this isn't a magic show, it's more of a prank show, but all the pranks involve magic. Now today we're going to have some fun with money. So watch this. You can see these Singapore money. All I have to do is count 3, 2, 1, and then it changes into Hong Kong dollars. Now let's go find some people to prank this with. Can I have a honey green tea, less honey? 280. Okay, do you没有收 Hong Kong 没有？
你的钱是真的吗？
你相信我吗？
我不相信。
不相信，我给你这个钱了，你 check。Sorry? So $10.10, right? Yeah. Okay. So can I have a winter melon tea?
Winter melon tea.
Oh, you don't... It's okay? I'm going to be pretending to do a survey, and if the strangers are willing to help me out, I will give them $20. But then again, are these real money? Or fake money? Does any of you think you can do 20 push-ups in 30 seconds? Because if you can, I'd like to give you $20. Wow, what's the catch? There's no catch at $20. Like you can feel the money yourself, so you know. Yeah, so that's how $20. Alright, let's do it.
20 seconds.
30 seconds, yeah.
Try.
Okay, let's try. Alright.
$20.
$20, yeah, alright. Alright, come on, show them, man. 18, 19, 20. Alright, that's awesome. Alright, fantastic. So as promised, this is your $20. Good job. 19, come on, one more. Alright, oh, he did 21, no? What's the time? 15 points. That's pretty good. Alright, so as promised, this is 10, and this is Oh damn! Oh damn! Yeah, for being able to do it. You didn't already. 19, 20. Alright, that's awesome. That's very good. So what was the time? 13 seconds. So fitter than you think. Alright, so as promised, here we have the money. And as promised, there we go.
Monopoly money.
As promised. We are doing a bit of a trial thing here with Clicknetwork, so if you like this video, leave a comment, give us a thumbs up and share with your friends. If we get a good response, we'll do more. So that's it for me. I'll see you guys.